Welcome to Amara's Good Stuff, where curiosity leads the way and wonder never gets old. Today, we're heading into the dense jungles and bamboo forests of Asia to meet one of the most beloved and instantly recognizable animals on Earth. It munches all day, rolls in the grass, and looks like a living teddy bear. Let's explore giant pandas. Giant pandas are native to China and live mostly in mountainous regions filled with bamboo. They're members of the bear family, but they have a diet and personality all their own. While they're technically carnivores, over 99% of their diet is bamboo stalks, shoots, and leaves to get enough nutrients. Pandas spend up to 14 hours a day eating and can consume over 80 pounds of bamboo daily. Their bodies are built for this leafy lifestyle. Pandas have strong jaws and large molars for crushing tough stalks. They also have a special wrist bone that acts like a thumb, helping them grip and strip bamboo with surprising dexterity. Pandas are famous for their black and white coats. Scientists believe this coloring helps with camouflage. White fur blends into snowy backgrounds, while black patches help them hide in shade. Their round faces, big eyes, and gentle expressions have made them global symbols of peace and conservation. Despite their cuddly appearance, pandas are solitary and territorial. They communicate through scent markings, vocalizations, and body language. During mating season, males may compete for females, but most of the year, pandas prefer quiet solitude. Baby pandas are born tiny, about the size of a stick of butter, and completely helpless. They grow quickly under the care of their mothers, developing the iconic black and white fur within weeks. Cubs stay with their mothers for up to 2 years, learning how to forage and climb. Giant pandas were once critically endangered due to habitat loss and low birth rates, but thanks to conservation efforts, protected reserves, and breeding programs, their status has improved to vulnerable. China has led the way in panda conservation, and international partnerships have helped raise awareness and support. Pandas are also cultural icons. They appear in art, folklore, and diplomacy. China has gifted pandas to other countries as symbols of friendship. Their gentle nature and playful behavior have inspired countless stories, cartoons, and conservation campaigns. Giant pandas remind us that softness can be strong. They thrive in quiet forests, live in harmony with their surroundings, and bring joy to people around the world simply by being themselves. Thanks for exploring with me on Amara's Good Stuff, where the world, the ocean, and the stars are always waiting for you. Until next time, keep wondering.